Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another YouTube video. I'm Nicole. Today, guess where we're at? Well, from the title of the video, you already know where we are. We are at the villages of Colbeck Castle. Ladies and gentlemen, the last video, I'm going to put the link to that video up in the card, so you can just look up in the card right now. Look here, look at that. Right here is a brand new light pole, so that tells me something. That tells me that the NHT is up and running again, and I thank God for that. And so therefore, in this video today, we're going to look at, I'm going to carry you through the NHT scheme. I'm right here in Old Harbour, right next door to the castle. Pan over and show you the castle right over there. So that is the castle right there. And it's a road, sidewalk, beautiful. So come along with me so we can discover as we go along, because I am just visiting. As you can see right along, the electrical poles are going in for electricity. The sewer system is already in. The water system is already in. So you just know that it's just the house now. It's just the houses now to go down. And before you know it, we'll have house opening. This is a dead end. So this is a dead end, ladies and gentlemen. So anybody live right here, I got nice down at the dead end right there. So get a big land space. You can park your car down the side, you know? You're nice. Dead end. We're not going to go up there. Just going to turn and going to go right around and show you guys. So I'm going to turn the vehicle and go right around. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are contributing to the NHT, this development, please don't make it pass you. Do not let this one pass you, because trust me, this one is going to be one of the best NHT development. Because just where it is, right next door to the castle, and as I said, that castle is going to be refurbished. It's going to be an heritage village. The Prime Minister came, give a big talk about it, and as you can see, things are happening. I am impressed. The last time I come up here, I cuss. But I am impressed, and this is what I love to see. You know, the road is properly paved though, because this road was paved like maybe a year and a half ago, and it is still in pretty good condition. It is smooth. I'm gonna go all the way down to the back. I'm gonna go all the way down. That's a road right there. And what I love, they name the streets. They name the streets like some indigenous African, or yeah, really indigenous African names, like South African. You know, they give the names based on some of the pharaohs in Egypt. Like when we meet them up, you'll see what I'm talking about. But the names of the street have really significant historical African heritage. Alright, so I pass a gentleman there cutting grass. So guys, as I can tell you, look at the mountain range right around. Look at it. This is really what you call urban rural feel. It is a urban area, but at the same time you get a rural feel. Very, very nice development down here, guys. Place bush up and grass up though, but you know, that can be dealt with.
There.
And if you can see over there, you have the mall pit. So when you come here now, I'm just going to stop a little bit and go outside and show you guys something. Wow. All I can say is wow. mean, look at this, guys. Look at this. This is like a little T junction, like. And down there now, right down there, it's like a dead end. That's a dead end down there, right? I go around. It go around. It looks like a dead end down there. It goes around. All right, we're going to go around there and look. But ladies and gentlemen, look at the infrastructure. Look at the scheme. Yes. You see why I have to cuss and go on by the next time and they come like NHT watch a video. And they might do things, man. They might go on with things, man. I like this. I mean, look at the drain. Beautiful development here in Old Harbour. Ladies and gentlemen, me I tell you, if you not contribute to the NHT, or if you not contribute, start. Use the point system. NHT now offering 100% finance mortgage. So if this house up here is selling, when it finish, if it's selling for $14 million, depending on how much you work, you alone can buy it. So no longer you have to depend on, say, boy, you have to marry or you have to buy it with somebody. This development is beautiful, I'm telling you. Look over there. Look at the mountain range that you have over there. Look. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's like you're surrounded by a mountain. It's like you're just sandwiched by a mountain. Wow.
Like the mouth.
Wow.
This is the tongue.
This is lovely. And I'm telling you, the road surface is top notch. Trust me. Very good surface. And only on Highway 2000 you see them type of surface here. So big up NHT. Things are going. I love that. So ladies and gentlemen, we are back in the car and we are going now westward. So we just come down from where they have the castle and we are going now west. Matter of fact, we're at the back of the scheme. So this is really the back. For now, because you know they plan to have phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, phase 5. So a lot of houses, guys. The Prime Minister said 2,500 housing solution. So that's a whole heap of house. So people putting themselves together from now, as I say, we can't tell you enough, we can't remind you enough. Put yourself together, get your NHT benefit.
Wait.
Understand? We can go down this side. Well, when you see at the back, but I'm not really the back. I practically the middle with it. Yes, Jay?
We can go down that road.
Yes, baby. You understand?
And there's a road right here.
This is a really big, lovely development. That's another road up there. So, as I was promising you to show you the names of the street, this one is our close. Right? And you know the significance of the hour. So when I said it names. This is what? Remora Street. Don't know the significance of Remora, but those historians can tell me the significance of that name. Right? And I'm going down. Guys, this is like the back of the scheme. And you can see a lot of cattle down here. This is where it's like, I don't know what. It's like, this is where like a lot of water come, like, it's not a river. But it's definitely we're going to have water because we're going to have water coming. So all of the water from the scheme is going to become here and then it's going to go all the way over there, over that side. It's going to be over this side. So the water is going to come that way. It's going to come from that side and then it's going to make it way that way. We have that concrete thing, we have the cattle zone at the back and then you go down to like a stream down the here. So this is a really lovely And you can see the fence it off, so nobody can really go over there. They have a fence. It's pretty.
Daddy, that's a dam over there.
Yes.
What is donkeys too?
So you can see the animals. So when I talk about you, I say you have a rural vibes, and that's a farm all the way over there. It's a chicken farm. So you know you have a rural feel at the same time. You know, you have all the urban amenities. Come guys, I wanna get ticks. Come on. What back out there, so no ticks will catch you. Alright. So guys, this is like where the water, because there's a little stream like that comes through the scheme. So this is where it will go, and most of the storm water drain and so forth, this is where they end up. So as I said, this is an in-depth tour of the villages of Kolbeck. Beautiful work, beautiful infrastructure work. I have to give the tradesman them a big thumbs up. I mean, look at that.
They put fence here, Daddy.
Look at that. Beautiful. Yes, baby, it's called a gabion basket. You know what is called, Johnny? Gabion basket. Yeah, gabion basket. It is used to train the river. It's used this is called river training. All right. So that when the water comes, it doesn't burst the bank and erode the bank. You understand? So it helps to hold the water.
Daddy, that pipe
Channel,
is dark.
also hold the soil and channel the water. Yes, JJ?
That pipe is dark.
Yes. Right. So big things are going up here, man. Big things. You know? And I said this is just an update video to show you what is happening here. Alright, so I'm going to leave here now and I'm going to go up to where they have the tanks. Up there. I'm going to go right up there to where they have the water tanks. I don't know if I can go up there, but I'm going to try. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we're way up in the hill where the water tanks are. The water tanks are just above us where we are now. And you can look right over on the castle. We are so far away. Still at the development, but a good distance away from the castle. The castle is way over there. Way over there. So, you just can see how, you know, this development is going to be. As I said, it's rural, but you get all the urban and amenities. So the water tanks are up that side. I'm going to drive all the way because the road is narrow. And this is where they are getting the mall. That's where they are digging the mall. And you know they use the mall in the construction of the road and so forth. So they have everything here, all the resources that they need at one spot. Right? It's a lot of mall up there. And we also have cotton. You know that they used to grow cotton here in the Kolbeck here, right?
What?
See it here?
Cotton
Yeah, back in slavery they used to grow cotton here. So this is the cotton that they used to make the fabric.
I didn't know they actually did that. I thought they used wool.
So that is cotton, that's the cotton plant, guys. If you have ever seen it before, that's how it looks. So ladies and gentlemen, we're actually going down. We're coming from where the tanks are, the big tanks up in the hill that supply the water. And that's how the road looks. So, you know, as far as your eyes can see, is road. And you have two bridges. Because as I said, there are two streams that run on the property. So you have two bridges. Just like the one that I showed you. Ready?
Castle is one, right?
You have another one right here. So we're coming up on it now. And these waterways are what carry the water, storm water and other water that runs on the property all the way to the sea. So you don't have to worry about anything like flooding. This land has been occupied for over 400 years. You know, the British was here, the Spanish, all of them occupied this land area. So you don't have to worry about flooding. So I'm just going to take you back now out to the front. And then we conclude the video.
There's a river down there.
Yeah, there are rivers. It's like two streams. It's not really a river. It's just like a stream that carry water. So we're back at Taino Boulevard over there. And we're going now we're going back towards the front, towards the castle. And we have our walk close, we're past already. And this was the first bridge. So we're going back past the first bridge. And when I go, I'm going to turn left because I want to take you up to the top section of the scheme and then we reach back to the front. And then that's it. So it's really big. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back at the front, back at the castle. And I want to say thanks for taking the journey with me to, you know, look at the villages of Kolbeck, the NHT scheme in Old Harbour, and to look at the progress, where it is at now, as at this date, the 9th of March 2021. Based on how things is looking, maybe in the next 2 years this scheme may be ready, and that is what I like progress. So remember, I hope you enjoy the video and you enjoy the content and you enjoy the channel. For Home and Garden Fix and Tricks, I'm Michael. Peace.